Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the SUMPRODUCT function in Excel. And it's basically a function you use if you want to multiply different components and then take the sum or the total of all the multiplication values. So just to use the function, you press equals and you type the following SUMPRODUCT, and you select your first array, and then you select your second array. Whoops. So what happens is Excel will multiply 2 by 50, 1.5 by 30, 3 by 20, 4 by 15, and take the result of all that multiplication and total it or sum it, which will give you the following result like this. Maybe to visualize it more easily, if we look at it this way, it would be 2 multiplied by 50, like this. And if we take the sum of all of that, it would give us the following here, 265 as well. So what's happening is Excel is multiplying 2 by 50, 1.5 by 30, 3 by 20, 4 by 15, and then adding it all together. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.